Auriculotherapy is a branch of acupuncture that uses the ear as a microsystem. The ear can influence the dynamics of the whole body, including the internal organs. Acupuncture needles can be used, or alternatively, ear seeds can be placed at key locations to stimulate these points when pressed. For example, in weight control, the ear shen men point relieves stress, pain, depression, and insomnia. It helps the other points work better. The stomach point is for eating disorders, hunger management, ulcers, nausea, vomiting, and belching. The esophagus point benefits indigestion, acid reflux, fullness in the chest, and breathing difficulties. And the appetite control point relieves hunger, diabetes, compulsive eating, obesity, and food cravings. We offer upgrades that include stylish crystal ear studs with gold ear seeds that not only promote healing, but look chic and stunning. Request your ear seed therapy today at Healing with Zen.